How many kilo this one? Eh? Kilo kitna? Ayan, alhamdulillah, may cabinets na. Ayan. So, buksan natin. May panglagyan na ako ng kung ano-ano, like mga containers, kitchen utensils, like that. Ayan. Ayan. Ito naman ang dito ang ito yung sa namin, sa stove, kung saan lagay yung stove. Tapos may dito, exhaust. Ayan, ito. Lahat cabinets ito, yan. And then ito naman ay yung pagkatapos maghugas ng plates, ilagay dito, tapos tutulo yung tubig dito. May system yan. Ayan. Ayan, pag napuno yung tubig, tanggalin lang ito. Ayan. So ito yung aking lababo. Ayan, ito naman yung paglagyan ng ng kung ano-ano, mga spoons, mga knives, at saka kung ano-ano. And then ito naman yung paglagyan ng ng flour. Ilagay lang yung sako dito. Hindi na kailangan ibuhos yung arena dito. Basta ilagay lang yung sako dito. Ayan. Make another design. After making design this one, then now there is putting now there in. Ito yung pinagtriman. Aywan ko saan na yung machine na ginamit. Making more nice design. This is already complete, this design here, from there and after there. And also he make also additional design here, this line, this red hair, and also this one. Ayan. And also this one, we have to put this stove here, and we have to put exhaust fan here. And he make all these black. And this one also he make yesterday. Last night he complete this one. Ayan, and also this design here. This one. Then also he covered this one. Ito, may cover na. And then we will put exhaust fan here so that all smell will go in that hole there. Ayan. So lacking is this, we have to put marble here, and also this basin here. We have to put marble here up to that end. Ayan. And then also this one, he make also this window here. Ayan. And then we have to put also this one here for winter chimney or pugon or anggiti. Because during winter, it's very, very cold. So we have to put chimney here. Yung ano, pugon, anggiti. Ayan. And then next to do is selling and also make this. I don't know. My brother-in-law said we want to put ano hair tiles in this flooring, and also this one we have to I don't know what next to put this wall here. And window is still not fixed because that one who make this window and doors is still on vacation because of Eid. So inshallah can be finished very soon. This one can complete slowly, slowly. So ayan yung update ng aking extension kitchen room. This is very big kitchen I have compared to my old kitchen. My old kitchen, there is no cabinets and very small also. So alhamdulillah, I have this very big kitchen and very nice also. And so many cabinets. I have to put something for anything. I keep kitchen utensils and etc. Ayan. Nice ang design ng aking cabinets.